ethyl iodide CH C2H5I, C2H5I. We have ethyl iodide. When it is treated with alcoholic solution of ammonia in a sealed tube at 100 degrees centigrade, then in the first step, one hydrogen of ammonia get replaced with one alkyl group. So after the reaction, we will have ethylamine C2H5NH2. ठीक है, ethylamine, and we get hydrogen iodide, ethylamine and hydrogen iodide. Now students, this reaction is started. Now students, this reaction continue till we get all the hydrogen atom of ammonia get replaced with alkyl group. So we will see how reaction is proceeded with the ammonia in forward direction. Now we will see the next step of the reaction. In the second step, we have ethyl iodide C2H5I. We have ethyl iodide, and in the first step we have ethylamine C2H5NH2. We have ethylamine, right students? Then again we will observe SN2 reaction. One more hydrogen of amine get replaced with one more ethyl group. So after the reaction we get C2H5NH, C2H5, right students? Plus here we have hydrogen iodide. Students, what is the name of this molecule? How many ethyl groups are attached with amine? Since there are two ethyl groups, so this is diethyl. This is diethyl amine. Still one more hydrogen is left here. In diethylamine, still one more hydrogen is left. So further reaction is proceeded till this hydrogen get replaced with one more ethyl group. Now students, we will see what is the next reaction. In the next step, we have ethyl iodide, that is C2H5I. We have ethyl iodide, and in the second step we have diethyl amine C2H5NH, C2H5. So how reaction is proceeded? This hydrogen get replaced with ethyl group. So how many ethyl group will have with nitrogen? Total 3 ethyl group would be attached, C2H5 3, right, and nitrogen. Plus we have hydrogen iodide. Students, how many ethyl groups are attached with nitrogen? Since there are 3 ethyl groups, so that's why it is triethyl amine. Triethyl amine is formed. Now students, we will see what is the next reaction. In triethyl amine, the nitrogen atom has lone pair of electron on it. So we make triethylamine, that is C2H5. We have 3 ethyl group which are attached with the nitrogen. Nitrogen has lone pair of electron on it. Further react with ethyl iodide C2H5I. It further react with ethyl iodide. Then what will happen students? With the help of lone pair of electron, nitrogen will form bond with ethyl, right? So after the reaction we get C2H5 4 tetraethyl. Tetraethyl, nitrogen has given whole pair of electron for the formation of sigma bond with ethyl group. नाइट्रोजन ने अपना पूरा इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर दिया इथाइल ग्रुप को सिग्मा बॉन्ड बनाने के लिए, ठीक है ना. हमने देखा ना कि दिस इज द न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. एक्चुअली इट विल अटैक ऑन दिस एंड नाइट्रोजन एंड halide ion will leave in the iodide ion will leave in the bonding electron, ठीक है. So that's why nitrogen has given whole pair of electrons. So that's why nitrogen becomes electron deficient. There is a plus charge on this nitrogen, right? So this is and iodide ion, right? Iodide ion leave in the form of we get here the negative charge on this iodine. So here the compound which is formed is quaternary ethyl amine or tetraethyl amine, right? This is the salt, that is quaternary ethyl amine. Quaternary ethyl amine or tetraethylamine, since there are 4 ethyl group. So in this way we get all the hydrogen atoms of nitrogen amine get replaced with all the hydrogen atom of amine get replaced with ethyl group, right students? Now students, primary amine is a major product when ammonia is present in excess, right? When ammonia is present in excess, then which types of amines are the major product? Yes, primary amines. Similarly, tertiary amines, they are the major product when alkyl halide is present in excess. यानी जब alkyl halide excess amount में होगा तो फिर tertiary amine जो है वो as a major product के तौर पर form होंगे, लेकिन अगर ammonia excess amount में होगा तो फिर primary amine जो है वो हमारे पास as a major product के तौर पर form होंगे. The salt, that is quaternary ethyl amine, when it is treated with the base, we can regenerate amine. इस salt को जब हम किसी base से treat करेंगे तो फिर हम amines को regenerate कर सकते हैं. मिसाल के तौर पर अगर हम इसको base से treat करते हैं, for example, if we treat this salt, we have here the quaternary ethyl amine like C2H5 4, and there is a plus charge on nitrogen attached with this iodine, right students? When it is treated with the base like sodium hydroxide, then we can regenerate amines. For example, we get C2H5 3N, that is triethylamine, as well as here we get sodium iodide plus methanol, plus ethanol. Here we get ethanol, students. That is ethanol, C2H5OH, ethanol. One thing. Another important thing, all the 3 types of amines which are produced, that is primary, secondary and tertiary amines, they can be separated by using the technique of fractional distillation. यानी हम तीनों तरह के जो amines हमारे पास produce हुए हैं, primary, secondary और tertiary amine, हम उनको कैसे separate कर सकते हैं? We can separate these amines by applying the technique of fractional distillation. I hope alkylation of ammonia by alkyl halide is clear to you. और chemical reduction, they give primary amines. यानी जब हम नाइट्रो कंपाउंड्स हैं, we have nitro compounds. If we do their catalytic reductions, what is the main product? The main product will be the primary amine. ठीक है students? Let's see some examples. For example, if we have nitrobenzene, like we have nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene क्या होता है students? When nitro group is attached with the benzene, then the molecule is known as nitrobenzene. If we do the reduction of nitrobenzene, now what conditions are required for the reduction of nitrobenzene? क्या conditions हमें चाहिए यहाँ पे? Here we require tin in the presence of HCl. Tin in the presence of HCl, nascent or atomic hydrogen is generated, which is used to reduce nitrobenzene. ये nitrobenzene को reduce कर देगा. Nitrobenzene reduces into aniline. Aniline कौन से molecules होते हैं students? These are the molecules where amino group is attached with the benzene. So in this way, nitrobenzene reduces to aniline. We generated amine from nitrobenzene. Now students, we will see one more example. For example, if we have 4-nitroaniline, 4-nitroaniline हम किस तरह से बनाएंगे? We make here the benzene molecule. यहाँ पे हम benzene molecule बनाएंगे, ठीक है? 4-nitroaniline यानी एक साइड पे हमने अटैच कर दिया है. Here we have nitro group and here we have amino group. This is 4-nitroaniline. Right students? Now if we do the reduction of 4-nitroaniline, reduction करने के लिए what conditions are required here? Here we must have iron in the presence of sulfuric acid. ठीक है, आयरन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, हाइड्रोजन इज जनरेटेड विच इज यूज फॉर द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिडक्शन। ठीक है, हाइड्रोजन जो है जो जनरेट होगी वो जो है रिडक्शन में यूटिलाइज होगी। तो आफ्टर दैट वी गेट 1,4-diamino benzene, 1,4-diamino benzene. In this way nitro group reduces to amino group. Here what product is formed, students? Here it is 1,4-diamino benzene. I hope this is clear to you, students.